Arnab Goswami on the debate at 9. Powered by Century Laminates and Citroën.
Good evening and welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Today, 15 days after the horrifying scenes we witnessed at the Red Fort on Republic Day, singer-actor instigator Deep Sidhu was arrested by the Delhi Police Special Cell at a location 100 kilometers away from the capital. The Tisazari court in New Delhi sent him to 7-day police custody. His arrest comes after images of him at Red Fort on 26 January emerged with videos from the days preceding Republic Day provoking our farmers. And with his arrest, the message is loud and clear. Don't politicize it. There will be zero tolerance to instigation. The arrest of Deep Sidhu blunts the narrative of the pseudos who tried to say that he would not be acted against because of his quote-unquote BJP links. So tonight, even as India stands united against instigation, vested foreign destructive forces have jumped in support of Deep Sidhu. The chief among those external forces is Mo Dhaliwal, the pro-Khalistani who created and curated the toolkit set out to defame and destabilize India. Today, therefore, it is time for nationalists in the country to collectively take a stand against separatist instigators and protest infiltrators who operate with a sole agenda to harm India, block India, break India. It is time to call for a crackdown on all the instigators. And it is time, viewers, to treat separatists with an iron hand. And it is time to send a loud and blazing message that India will not succumb to foreign propaganda. So tonight, let's unite and coup to de-link the motivated foreign forces trying to control the Indian narrative, coup against Break India agents, and coup to say, nation first, no compromise. Ladies and gentlemen, I come to you with 3 debates this evening. 3 debates this evening. The first is on the instigators, and that is on the story of Deep Sidhu. That's debate number 1 tonight. Debate number 2 this evening. Debate number 2 this evening is about how the Prime Minister shows the way, and he actually doesn't just do a reach out. He shows the way on how the opposition and the government should work together on fundamentals. And debate number 3 tonight. Debate number 3 is on the coup revolution and how thousands of people have switched to coup. The coup revolution is debate number 2, the Indian social media storm, and here are the headlines. Here are the headlines. This Tuesday evening on the debate tonight. "14 days after the Republic Day violence, instigator-in-chief Deep Sidhu is arrested." From Deep Sidhu to toolkit authors, time for a complete crackdown on pro-Khalistani groups. Prime Minister bids farewell to Ghulam Nabi Azad with an emotional message in the Rajya Sabha. Prime Minister Modi shows the way. Will the toxic negative politics end after the outreach? Coup takes Indian social media by storm. IT Ministry and Railways Minister join the indigenous platform. The coup revolution is here. And ITBP, NDRF, Army and IAF conduct rescue operations on a war footing to trace 171 missing people in Uttarakhand. Ladies and gentlemen, the instigator-in-chief and the main accused of the Republic Day violence is now in the police custody after dodging the law for 14 days. This arrest could just be the beginning of a larger crackdown against pro-Khalistani groups that want anarchy on the streets of the country. Here is what happened today, and then tonight, we debate.
At 9:30 a.m., 117 kilometers from Delhi in Karnal, actor turned riot accused Deep Sidhu was arrested by Delhi police after a 14-day long search.
26 जनवरी के दिन जो रेड फोर्ट पर किया है, इसके लिए हमारे केसेस में वांटेड था, स्पेशल सेल क्राइम ब्रांच के केस में। और कल रात एक स्पेसिफिक इन्फॉर्मेशन पर लगभग 10:30 बजे के आसपास करनाल के पास से इसको अप्रेंड किया गया है।
Now in 7-day police custody, Deep Sidhu was seen at Red Fort during the Republic Day violence. Investigators believe he led the mob that insulted the tricolour at the monument. And it was this speech from the Kisan Union's stage the night before the violence that led to chaos on the streets of New Delhi.
ਜਦੋਂ ਚੱਲਦੇ ਸੰਘਰਸ਼ਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਹਿਣ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ ਨਾ ਉੱਥੇ ਕੁਝ ਵੀ ਸ਼ਾਂਤਮਈ ਨਹੀਂ ਤੇ ਕੁਝ ਵੀ ਹਿੰਸਕ ਨਹੀਂ ਇਹ ਗੱਲ ਸਮਝਣ ਦੀ ਕੋਸ਼ਿਸ਼ ਕਰਿਓ ਜਿੱਦੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਤੋਂ ਤੁਰੇ ਸੀ ਉਹਦੇ ਬੈਰੀਕੇਡ ਭੰਨੇ ਸੀ ਨਾ ਅਸੀਂ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਕਹਾਂਗੇ ਸ਼ਾਂਤਮਈ ਕਿ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਹਿੰਸਕ ਕਹਾਂਗੇ ਕੁਝ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਹਿ ਸਕਦੇ ਉਹੀ ਕਹਾਂਗੇ ਜੋ ਉਹਦੇ ਪਰਮਾਤਮਾ ਦਾ ਹੁਕਮ ਸੀ ਉਦਾਂ ਹੀ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਜੋ ਹੁਣ ਪਰਮਾਤਮਾ ਦਾ ਹੁਕਮ ਹੋਊਗਾ ਉਹ ਅੱਜ ਹੋ ਜਾਊਗਾ ਉਸ ਗੁਰੂ 'ਚ ਵਿਸ਼ਵਾਸ ਰੱਖਿਓ ਫੈਸਲਾ ਉਸ ਗੁਰੂ ਦੇ ਹਿਸਾਬ ਨਾਲ ਤੇ ਸੰਗਤ ਦੇ ਹਿਸਾਬ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਹੋਣਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵਿਸ਼ਵਾਸ ਰੱਖਿਓ ਕੋਈ ਉਹਦੇ ਪਾਸੇ ਫੈਸਲਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਲੈ ਸਕਦਾ ਮੈਂ ਹੁਣੇ ਕਹਿ ਕੇ ਹਟਿਆ ਜੋ ਇੱਥੋਂ ਫੈਸਲਾ ਆਊਗਾ ਐਨ ਜਮਾ ਇੱਥੇ ਸਟੇਜ ਤੇ ਆ ਕੇ ਵੱਜੂਗਾ ਪੰਜਾਬੀਆਂ ਵਾਲੀ ਗੱਲ ਆ
For the last 14 days, Deep Sidhu has been hopping from one state to another, uploading videos on Facebook, allegedly via his connections in California.
ਏਕਾ ਬਣਾਈ ਰੱਖੋ ਤੇ ਉੱਥੇ ਜੁੜੇ ਰਹੋ ਪਿੰਡਾਂ ਚੋਂ ਸ਼ਹਿਰਾਂ ਚੋਂ ਸਾਡੇ ਬੰਦੇ ਜਾਣ ਤੇ ਉਸ ਸੰਘਰਸ਼ ਨੂੰ ਹੱਲਾਸ਼ੇਰੀ ਦੇਣ ਜਿਹਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਕੱਠੇ ਹੋ ਕੇ ਵਿੱਢਿਆ ਸੀ
Soon after the arrest, the pro-Khalistani echo chamber started an online campaign. Author of Anarchy Toolkit, Mo Dhaliwal, wanted #FreeDeepSidhu to trend on social media. He is the same person who, while sitting in Canada, is hatching a plot to break India.
Farm bills get repealed tomorrow. That is not a victory. This battle begins with the repeal of the farm bills. It does not end there.
But with the arrest of Deep Sidhu, the government's message is clear. There is zero tolerance to pro-Khalistani elements. Let's debate.
Opening the debate with Sambit Patra, taking on Mashinder Singh Grewal of the Shiromani Akali Dal on the other side tonight, and I'd like to welcome General G.D. Bakshi, M.R. Venkatesh, Kuldeep Singh Dhaliwal, Abdul Raza Khan, Dilpreet Singh, Chaudhry Savit Malik and Sunit Chopra. Viewers, Republic debate is exclusively on India's fastest growing, extremely popular, the country is switching to coup. So we are on the coup app. So please send in your coups on the debate tonight. So my first question tonight is to Mr. Grewal. Mr. Grewal, you used to say that Deep Sidhu is a BJP man. Then why did the BJP government arrest him today? Please tell Sambit Patra. You said Deep Sidhu is a BJP man, and you said the government will not act against Deep Sidhu. But Deep Sidhu has been arrested. Why did they arrest him if he's a BJP man?
Hello, you are hearing my voice? Arnab, you are hearing my voice?
Of course.
Hello? Hello?
I am. Please continue.
Yes, you are saying that...
Sir, you're pretending not to hear me. You can also hear me, I know.
BJP chap.
Why they have arrested? Seeing the pictures which came after the Red Fort incident, the Deep Sidhu has a shot with the Honorable Prime Minister, accompanied by Mr. Sunny Deol, MP from Gurdaspur, and we had another picture, Hema Malini ji and Dharmender ji with Deep Sidhu. Yes, if the government has some evidence that he has committed any anti-national activity, the government has every right to proceed against him. And I say that the perception after the pictures came into the domain of people, it gave an impression as if he is a planted man by the Bharatiya Janata Party. So let us see what the investigation reveals after his police remands end. It's too early to make any comment when the investigations are going on. Either saying that he's guilty or he's not guilty.
Oh my God, he's doing a U-turn on the program tonight. He's doing a U-turn on the program tonight. Look at the intelligent choice of words of Mr. Look at the intelligent choice of words. Look at the intelligent choice of words of Mr. Grewal. The words that he is using are perception, impression, and seems like. I'm sorry. No. 1 minute. First of all, I can't hear you. First of all, I'd like to make a point. Mr. Grewal, don't speak over me. Mr. Grewal, don't speak over me.
Nobody can defend a person who commits any act which puts the national unity and integrity into turmoil or raises any question of the unity and integrity of the country. Shiromani Akali Dal strongly advocates a strong India and always support the forces who are for the unity and integrity of this nation.
Mr. Grewal, before Sambit Patra responds, I want to say something to the viewers of the Republic Network, Sambit, and that is vocabulary. It is so interesting that the choice of words Mr. Grewal and people like him use today compared to what they said on 26th. On the 26th, they said he's a BJP man. On the 26th, they said that the BJP carried out the violence. On the 26th, they virtually said that the government of India carried out the violence. On the 26th, they said that the government of India was shooting people. On the 26th, the language was different. And tonight, the language is, it seems like, the perception is, the impression is. All these are words that are being used by Mr. Grewal to distance himself from the fact that the government he criticized has arrested Deep Sidhu. The instigator-in-chief has been arrested by the government who he was instigating against. And that's why this kind of use of words. MR, did you notice that, Sambit? Did you notice that? We think, it seems, but you didn't think.
No, Arnav, in fact.
And it did not seem. On the 26th, when you spoke about Deep Sidhu, the debate is open, Sambit. Yes.
Arnav, the last sentence that my good friend Mr. Grewal used was, law will take its own course, and now since the whole thing is under investigation, so after the investigation we would be able to make out. अच्छा, अब इनकी आवाज़ ठीक करा दीजिए प्लीज और मुझे सुन लीजिए. Deep Grewal in fact used his last sentence, concluding sentence as, law will take its own course and we will see, इनको आप टीवी ऑन कर लो, टीवी ऑन करके लाउड वॉइस करके सुनो, आप मुझे बोलने दो प्लीज, आप डिस्टर्ब मत करिए. Mr. Goswami, his concluding statement was that law will take its own course, and in fact now since the police is investigating, the police will decide whether Deep Sidhu can be incriminated or he cannot be incriminated. So there is a possibility from their side that they can even give a clean chit to Mr. Deep Sidhu. And I on this channel tonight declare, just wait for 15 more days, you will see all these parties coming in favor of Deep Sidhu. You will find the Congress party for Deep Sidhu. You will find all these political parties coming. Here come.
But the kind of photographs we saw, with the kind of leaders he was standing,
here comes Naraj Phuphi. The permanent Naraj Phuphi, he will not allow others to speak now. Mr. Razak, can I speak now? I have not completed my sentence. If I complete my sentence, please speak.
There is no kind of allegation. The true photographs that we saw alongside the topmost BJP leaders, he was standing.
Can I please
that is the reason why we called him a BJP agent
without
who
allowing
has been
others to
arrested
speak.
today.
Mr. Arnav, I believe, please allow me to complete my sentences. And let me tell, if only photographs were to speak, then in fact Mr. Manmohan Singh, who was photographed along with Yasir Jilani in the PMO, should have been incriminated for separatism in Jammu and Kashmir. If only photographs would speak, then Rahul Gandhi and his mother Sonia Gandhi were photographed with Xi Jinping In
Was
fact,
he
signing a
acting?
memorandum with Xi Jinping,
Sandip ji,
so
we should
Rahul
find
Gandhi
out.
also should be
The
questioned
Delhi
whether
police
Xi
should have a
Jinping is
fair
a Congress
probe,
agent or
find
rather
out
whether Rahul
at
Gandhi and
whose
Sonia
behest
Gandhi
he was
are Chinese
carrying
agents.
out the
If
rally.
only photographs can
We
speak,
are very
then
much
remember
waiting to
Rakesh
see the
Tikait was
probe.
sitting in the lap
What
of
does the
Captain
probe
Amarinder
come
Singh.
out?
So is Captain
I'm
Amarinder
very
Singh
sure
or
he was
Rakesh Tikait for
acting
that matter
on
of purpose
somebody's
are
orders.
each other's agent.
Whose
And
orders
who is
were
this
those?
man?
Because
Along
all
with
the farm
Deep
unions
Sidhu, you
have
can see Nikhil
disowned
Bhalla.
Deep
You can see
Sidhu.
Nikhil
Deep
Bhalla over
Sidhu
here.
does not
And
belong
here
to
is
farmer.
Rahul Gandhi with Nikhil
He is
Bhalla
a
in
BJP
Bangkok.
agent.
Here is Nikhil
He
Bhalla,
is a
who says
BJP
that, well,
agent.
I with my tractor
Sir, there
will
should be
reach
a
India
fair
Gate.
probe.
Here is,
He should be
will reach
posted
Red
at
Fort.
UAPA.
Here is Nikhil Bhalla along with
Nothing
his
less than
horse
UAPA.
at Red Fort. Here is
Sir,
Nikhil
please,
Bhalla
you show the
with the
photographs
biggest
of him
kisan of
standing with
India,
the Prime
that is
Minister.
Robert Vadra.
Show
देश
the
के सबसे
photographs
बड़े
of him
किसान
standing
रॉबर्ट
with
वाड्रा
Prime
के साथ
Minister.
निखिल भल्ला.
Show
Here
the
is Nikhil
photographs.
Bhalla with
Show the
Sonia
photographs
Gandhi.
of him
Here
standing
is
with
Nikhil
your
Bhalla
leader.
with Rahul
Why are
Gandhi.
you selective?
So
आप
the
selective
same
क्यों
Nikhil
हैं?
Bhalla,
Show
by the
him
same
campaigning
association,
for
Nikhil Bhalla, who is an
Sunny
associate
Deol.
of
Show
Deep
him
Sidhu,
campaigning
in
for
fact
Sunny
is a
Deol.
Congress agent,
Stop
is with
this
Rahul
Photoshop
Gandhi.
work.
So should not Mr. Rahul
Stop
Gandhi
this
also be
Photoshop
questioned?
work, sir.
अरे रजाक जी,
संदीप
ये
पात्रा जी
नाराज
दिखाइए
फूफी
ना।
की तरह नॉन-स्टॉप मत बोलो,
संदीप
शांति से
पात्रा जी,
कलम
मोदी
रखो
जी
और
के
सुनो
साथ
मेरी
की
बात.
तस्वीर दिखाइए.
There are
Show
two
him-
permanent
show
Naraj
him with
Phupis in your
Modi.
debate.
Show
One
him
is that
with Amit
Sunil
Shah
Chopra
ji.
ji,
Show
he is
him
Naraj Phupi number
campaigning
1,
for Sunny
and
Deol.
Mr. Rajak is Naraj
Do
Phupi
you
number
accept
2.
he was a
These
BJP
Naraj
man?
Phupis will not allow anyone to speak. Now my
yes.
question to Garewal ji, because I think he
No,
can hear me now. Garewal ji,
I'd
all of you
I'd
agreed
like
that you will
to
provide
I'd like
legal
to
aid. Legal
I'd like
aid
to
these
bring in
people.
General Bakshi. I'd like to bring in General Bakshi, and you mentioned Sunit Chopra. You mentioned Sunit Chopra. I personally, Razak, 1 minute. Razak, you got a bad habit of speaking over me. Don't do that, Baba. Relax. I am asking Sunit Chopra to come into the debate right now and speak aram se. No, don't shout, Razak. The way you shout, don't shout. And Sunit Chopra, the fact is, can you hear me, Sunit Chopra? I think it is time. I'm not happy with the arrest of Deep Sidhu. It's not enough. If Sambit Patra thinks it's enough, it's not enough. I think this government needs to be tougher. The arrest of Deep Sidhu needs to be a start. There is a nexus. My problem is, in fact, GD Bakshi, that this entire nexus and all its global cohorts, where it receives money from, where it receives investments from, where the nexus is rooted from, I think it is time for the government to crack down on the entire nexus. I think, in fact, they are not doing enough. I think India should use its global clout. The toolkit creator is chiming in support of Dhaliwal. The man behind the toolkit plot, and with pro-Khalistani leadings, Mo Dhaliwal, is lining up behind Deep Sidhu. Canada-based organizations are interfering. Yes, Sunit Chopra, I can't hear you. So Gagan, can I have Sunit Chopra's volume up as well? I'm saying here today, the same anchors who spread the fake news merrily intervened. Deep Sidhu. Sir, the nexus is going to be exposed. You need to calm down and understand. You can't stop it now. This nexus is going to be exposed. Sunit Chopra, this nexus is going to be exposed. This is the start.
To create a foreign hand where there was none. Otherwise, I will believe that the seat of Sunny Deol was part of Khalistan activity in Punjab.
Sir, please check out which TV channels were interviewing Deep Sidhu. Why don't you do an investigation of which TV channels were giving Deep Sidhu a platform?
All over.
Why don't you investigate that?
Kanal can't be found for 17 days. He used that time to spread the canard that the Prime Minister threw out in Parliament.
GD Bakshi.
Thank you, Arnab. Arnab, I think the time has come to send a loud and clear message that anyone who dared to disrespect the national flag, to attack the iconic Red Fort on the Republic Day and try and make a tamasha out of this republic will be taken to task and dealt with in the strictest manner possible. Strictest manner possible. I agree with you, the government has made a start. It needs to go much further. We need to separate the farmers from the anti-national Khalistani tanzeems that have infiltrated this show. Can you kindly await your turn? We can't hear you. There's something wrong with your audio. There's something wrong with your audio. Correct it first. Thank you. You know, Arnab, as I was saying, we need to take the strictest possible, action. We need to set an example out of this Deep Sidhu and his cohorts. Anybody who tries to take shelter behind a popular farmers' movement, a mass movement, and try and carry out their nefarious purpose of breaking up this country, needs to be dealt with like the terrorists that they are. And our government has now reached out. I hope you know, Sunil Chopra Sahab, the Indian government has reached out to the United States Justice Department. They have given them damning evidence. And once you know that evidence, you will look extremely foolish. You will look extremely foolish because you and your cohorts cannot give cover to a terrorist, about terrorist organization bent upon the dismemberment of India. You cannot, sir, give covering fire to avowed terrorist organizations
MR,
which
a question
have
I want.
indicated that they want to break up India.
A question.
They want to instigate violence.
A question. A question I want to add tonight. A question I want to add. A question I want to add is the K word. The K word which people don't want to talk about because, we all want to be politically correct. We want to say some things don't exist. We want to say everything is fine. And the K word, I'm sure Sambit will agree with me, is Khalistan. We don't want to talk about it. So ask Chaudhry Savit Malik today, ये भाग जाएंगे, मैं 2 बार सवाल पूछूंगा खालिस्तान के बारे में. मैं पूछता हूं दिलप्रीत सिंह जी को, इसके बारे में नहीं बोलेंगे. मैं मशेंद्र सिंह ग्रेवाल को पूछता हूं तो चुप हो जाएंगे क्योंकि ये चाहते हैं खालिस्तान वाली बात नहीं हो. क्यों नहीं हो? ये है कि नहीं? खालिस्तानी एजेंडा वाले लोग, मो धालीवाल जैसे लोग, इन्होंने घुसने की कोशिश की कि नहीं फार्मर्स प्रोटेस्ट में? No, I'm saying it. I'm not putting anything in your mouth. What I'm saying is you please understand and accept to M.R. Venkatesh today that there is an underlying separatist agenda. There is an underlying separatist agenda, sir. Don't live in denial. Who are you asking?
I would like to know.
Who are you asking?
From you and Mr. Samit.
Who are you asking?
Had this Deep Sidhu not committed the act of going to the Red Fort, was the government in dark that he is involved in such activities? Is the government so slow that they couldn't identify him before that he has some foreign links? Why? After only his reaching to Red Fort, they came to know that he's a threat to the nation. But whereas he was on the road of Shambhu for last 2 months, where was the government intelligence that what this gentleman is doing? And then why government allow them to continue with that? Now after his reaching to Red Fort.
Okay, now let me answer that.
You say
Mr. Garewal, you have asked a question. The question is quite long. You allow me to answer as well.
Why government couldn't identify him more?
Now I have got the question.
All the intelligent people on the
now, Mr. Garewal, you cannot repeat yourself. Allow me.
Let the trial take place. Whatever court does, accept that as a
Mr. Goswami,
why did you avoid my question, Mr. Grewal? 1 minute, Sambit. 1 minute, Sambit. 1 minute, Sambit. 1 minute, Sambit. My question is, Why did the nation wants to know today, why did Mashender Singh Grewal run away like he saw a ghost when I asked him a question? आपने ऐसा भागा, ऐसे भागा जब मैंने सवाल किया कि लगता है आपने भूत देखा, ताप सूंघ ली। मैंने क्या पूछा? मैंने पूछा कि खालिस्तानी एजेंडा वाले लोग इसमें घुसने की कोशिश कर रहे थे कि नहीं? नो 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 ग्रेवाल, नो, आई एम सॉरी मिस्टर ग्रेवाल, मिस्टर ग्रेवाल, आई एम आस्किंग यू अबाउट द खालिस्तानी एजेंडा ऑफ सम पीपल। आई एम आस्किंग यू अबाउट द खालिस्तानी एजेंडा ऑफ सम पीपल हु हैव बीन ट्राइंग टू इन्फिल्ट्रेट द मूवमेंट। यू आर रनिंग अवे फ्रॉम माय क्वेश्चन। I am asking you about the Khalistani agenda.
Can I answer your question, Mr.
Why don't you answer? Why are you running away? Sambit Patra, why is he running away from my question?
Not once, not twice, not 3 times.
No, I will answer that. Why is he running away? I'll answer that.
Says that they are for the united.
Only if he allows me to answer, because I don't want to speak over him. Mr. Goswami, I believe I should.
I am talking about
on the borders. We suffered during terrorism.
On the debate, please. 1,180 schools already. On the
Mr. Grewal, I have got a question now. I think
this is not justified.
This is very unlike of you. You should not be.
Khalistan is not a bogey.
Allow me to speak now, Mr. Goswami. I have to. No, I'm going to answer Mr. Dhaliwal's. I'm going to answer Mr. Grewal's question now. Mr. Grewal's question. I mean, I'm astonished. Mr. Grewal is trying to be defensive. He's trying to defend Mr. Deep Sidhu today. And in fact, he says that didn't the government know that Deep Sidhu was an agent? Why did the government have to wait for his 26th charade? I mean, remember, these very people, in fact, when the government's agency in the Supreme Court said that, well, certain infiltrations have taken place, certain Khalistani agents have come, these people were castigating us, saying that, look, Mr. Modi believes that these are not Kisan but the Khalistanis, despite the fact that our agency says that certain instigators have come up. Now they are asking, what were your police doing, what were your agencies doing? And remember, in fact, you all, the leaders of the Kisan Morcha, they wrote and gave a promise to the Supreme Court also and to the government that no such untoward incident would take place. Place it on our credibility. And today their credibility has taken a washing, because we believed in their credibility, and look what happened, because they were hand in glove with these people. And let me tell you, Mr. Grewal will also come to the defense of Mo Dhaliwal. Let me hear from his own mouth whether you would condemn what Mo Dhaliwal said. Mo Dhaliwal said that repealing of the farm laws.
Samaji, you are a very reasonable man.
You don't know, even I don't know Mr. Dhaliwal, but the television has shown who Mo Dhaliwal is.
You today say that you believed what the farmer leader said.
No, sorry sir, you have to condemn Mo Dhaliwal's statement. Mo Dhaliwal said this is not just a fight for repealing the 3 laws. This is a fight beyond that. So I believe you have to come out and you have to unequivocally, not in any second terms, you have to condemn what Mo Dhaliwal said that day. That video is viral.
See,
Mo Dhaliwal categorically said that repealing of the farm laws is not going to culminate this Andolan. This Andolan is for something else.
What do you mean we have no concern? Why can't you take a position on him? No. What do you mean you have no concern? No, he's trying to get away.
No,
1 minute. He's trying to say, MR, he's trying to say I have no concern. No, he's trying to say I have no concern. In other words, he is avoiding my question. I asked him on Khalistan, he tried to ask a counter question, he's avoiding it. He's asked to comment on Mo Dhaliwal, he says I don't know who he is. People like Mr. Grewal, do you not have the courage to take a position on issues like this? I am telling you here today, is there or is there not an underlying separatist agenda? When the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology issued a notice to block 1,200 accounts to Twitter for running a separatist agenda and provocative comments on the farmers' protest, and Twitter is not complying like it should. So what is the fundamental issue? And that is why people are on coup today. MR Venkatesh, the problem with people like Mr. Grewal is, they say we don't know Mo Dhaliwal. Tomorrow he'll say, I don't even know that there is something called a Khalistani movement.
And I don't know.
He will also say tomorrow, MR Venkatesh, that I don't know that Pakistan is backing the Khalistani agenda. No, I'm shocked. Ye kya position hai?
Arnab, there is a genuine farmers movement. We all understand that. but that has been overtaken by several of these secessionist people, including the communists, including the Khalistanis. Let us be very clear about it. And these people need to be hunted out by the state agencies, by the investigating agencies. And there is a huge amount of money that is being flowing in, that is keeping these people. That is ensuring that these people are still alive and kicking and coming to the studios and now coming out and saying that they don't know anything and feeling ignorance. Now a detailed investigation of these people will what will bring out. Now to come. Sir, there is no foreign hand, sir. There is all domestic hand, sir. Sir, domestic hand है. आप लोग जैसे है तो काहे को foreigner के पास जाना है? When people as treacherous as you are there, I'm telling you. I'm telling you, I don't.
Absolutely.
Sir, I'm not using foreign coin. I'm using domestic people.
It was you who said there is foreign hand. There was investigation. Shaheen Bagh is orchestrated. Foreign money funded. Where is the foreign money? Why are the state agencies sleeping?
And Chaudhary Saleh Malik, thank you.
Why do you have these people? You have these people who don't require foreigners. These domestic people are enough. So you don't have to have foreigners at all. Please understand this. You people are enough to carry on whatever surgical strike has to be done by foreigners in this country. You want to annihilate this country.
बता दीजिए कैसा बैठा हुए थे अर्नव जी, ये जब सभी आंदोलनकारी बॉर्डर पे बैठे हुए हैं, ये लोग अंदर 30 किलोमीटर अंदर कैसे बैठे हुए थे और ये कैसे लाल किले पर चले गए जब सभी आंदोलनकारी बताए हुए रास्ते पर चल रहे थे?
आप लोग तो उनके स्पोक्सपर्सन हैं. You are a spokesperson of these people. You are the answer, not me.
Kuldeep Singh Dhaliwal. Kuldeep Singh Dhaliwal on the debate.
You tell us.
Kuldeep Singh Dhaliwal जवाब देंगे आपको.
You tell us how did you get in there?
अरे हम लोगों को जो आपने कहा था वही तो हम मांग रहे हैं. आप लोगों ने कहा था एमएसपी की गारंटी देंगे, तो हमको एमएसपी की गारंटी दे दीजिए. आपने कहा था C2 का लाभ देंगे, वो आपने कोर्ट में जाके मना कर दिया, एफिडेविट दे दिया कि हम आपको लाभ नहीं देंगे.
आपको बोल रही थी कि आपके बीच में खालिस्तानी है, तब आप नहीं मान रहे थे.
अरे खालिस्तानी कहाँ से आ गए? किसान देशभक्त होता है, किसान का एक बेटा बॉर्डर पे होता है, एक अन्न उगाता है. किसान के बीच में कोई देशद्रोही कभी नहीं आ सकता. किसान से बड़ा देशभक्त कोई नहीं है.
अब कहाँ से आ गए? ये दीप सिद्धू कहाँ से आया? ये एक दिन पहले
ये खालिस्तानी, आप बताइए जिनके साथ इनके फोटो थे वो बताएंगे. अब जांच होगी. आप लोग जज नहीं बनिए. आप लोग ये बताइए जिनके साथ में फोटो थे वो कहाँ से आ गए थे
समेत आपके.
ये कभी आंदोलन का हिस्सा नहीं चल रहा. ये आंदोलन से अलग दिल्ली में कैसे अलग से
नहीं चल रहा? किस पे ब्लेम करना है?
किसान,
अरे किसान की बात करें आप. किसान की बात गुम हो चुकी है.
दिल्ली की जनता
सारे आंदोलन में से किसान की बात गुम हो चुकी है. खालिस्तानी घुस गए हैं.
बता रहे हो
अभी भी आपके बीच में बहुत सारे परिजीवी और आंदोलनजीवी बैठे हुए हैं. आप उनको पकड़े और पुलिस को पकड़ाए.
कहाँ आपने इनको फोटो खिंचवाए थे? ये किसान को चक्रों में फंसाना चाहते हो? ये कीले लगवाते हो? किसान चक्रों में नहीं फंसेगा. किसान शांतिपूर्वक आंदोलन कर रहा है और आंदोलन करता रहेगा. आप कितनी भी साजिश कर लो, किसान के आंदोलन को तोड़ने में आप कामयाब नहीं होगे, क्योंकि हम ईमानदारी और सच्चाई का रास्ता अपनाए हैं.
ये मुझे why you avoiding the Khalistan question? दिलप्रीत जी, Dilpreet Singh from Ludhiana. My question to Dilpreet Singh from Ludhiana is, Dilpreet जी, आप जरा इनको समझाइए कि खालिस्तान वाले इशू को अवॉइड नहीं करें. इट्स अ रियलिटी. और दिलप्रीत जी, जब तक मशिंदर सिंह ग्रेवाल जैसे लोग खालिस्तान वाले इशू पर बात करने से अवॉइड करेंगे, तब ये सच्चाई इनके सामने नहीं आएगी. दिलप्रीत जी, आप जरा ग्रेवाल जी को बताइए कि जो खालिस्तान समर्थक जो घुस गए थे इस किसान प्रोटेस्ट में, उनके बारे में उनको बोलना चाहिए. ये मेरे प्रोग्राम पे आगे भाग नहीं सकते इस सवाल से. मैं आपको भागने नहीं दूंगा ग्रेवाल जी. आपको मैं खालिस्तान वाले मुद्दे पर आपसे टिप्पणी और कमेंट लेकर रहूंगा. दिलप्रीत जी, जरा ग्रेवाल जी को समझाइए.
सर मुझे
नहीं, भाग रहे हैं. यू आर रनिंग अवे. यू आर रनिंग अवे. सो दिलप्रीत जी विल एडवाइस यू. दिलप्रीत जी, कैन यू एडवाइज हिम प्लीज?
राजनीतिक पार्टियों को मैं इतना ही कहना चाहता हूं कि अभी मुख्य आरोपी पकड़ा जा चुका है और 7 दिन का रिमांड भी मिल गया है. तो अभी सारा दूध का दूध पानी होने वाला है. अभी हम एक दूसरे पे आरोप प्रत्यारोप बंद करें और कानून को अपना काम करने दें. अब जो भी इसके पीछे साजिश करता होगा 7 दिन के बाद सामने आने वाला। मोदी जी ने बहुत ही सुंदर राज्यसभा में कहा कि सिख हमारे देश की मान और शान है। तो हम अभी 7 दिन तक रुकें, कानून को अपना काम करने दें और साजिश का पता लगने दें। जो भी इसके पीछे होगा वो सामने आएगा।
नहीं दिलप्रीत जी, हम रुकने वाले नहीं हैं, सॉरी। नहीं दिलप्रीत जी, रुकने का टाइम नहीं है। दिलप्रीत जी रुकने का टाइम नहीं है। आई वांट संबित पात्रा बैक ऑन द डिबेट एंड आई फाइंड इट वेरी सरप्राइजिंग संबित, दैट द सेम people like Razak, people like Mashinder Singh Grewal were asking questions about this man, his links to the BJP, are now saying we should not talk about it. Why not? On the debate today, in fact, I want to push the questions on Khalistan.
See, Arnab, you have to
I want to ask Razak to come into the debate with Sambit.
No, Arnab,
is there or is there not, allow me to complete Sambit, is there or is there not a Pakistani backing to the Khalistan agenda? Tell me,
Absolutely.
Is there or is there not an underlying separatist agenda when on 6th February there were videos of the President of Pakistan State Youth Parliament spreading venom against India using the Khalistan card? So there are links between these pro-Khalistanis and Pakistan. And if I ask this question, then they go into denial. They want to talk about MSP. I'll talk about MSP, but first you tell me about this Khalistani agenda. And let's have a very straightforward, direct debate on the subject, Sambit. Do not pull your punches. A lot of people commenting on coup. Straight question. Did Khalistani backers urge Canada to speak up or not? Was there a Khalistani hand or not? And what is this? What is this gigantic rubbish?
Let me answer this.
In that stupid ad that was put out in Super Bowl, where they have spread a complete and absolute fabricated lie that 250 million Indians are protesting. Viewers, in that Chakka Jam, you couldn't find 25 people on the road. You can tell these Americans anything? 250 million people? Are you out of your mind? You don't have 250 people with you now. But I want to talk about the Khalistan issue. Sambit, let's have a straight-on debate on it. 250 million. What? Again you're starting.
Arnab, if I'm allowed.
Blaming Rahul Gandhi is a
Arnab, if I'm allowed, these people will not speak about the real issues, but they keep on deviating from the debate. Can I, Mr. Grewal, can I please speak for God's sake? Mr. Goswami has asked me to speak. If you allow others to speak to Mr. Grewal, thank you so much. Mr. Arnab, in fact, you wanted the Khalistani angle to be probed to discuss about Khalistani angle. Remember, as far as the BJP is concerned, let me begin with a caveat that this is not for every person from Punjab. I mean, the Prime Minister was quite categorical yesterday when he talked about the Sikh community. He said that they are the most patriotic community of this country. But, well, yes, as far as the infiltration is concerned, leave aside what the BJP said, but Captain Amrinder Singh, a couple of days ago, in a press conference, categorically said that we cannot rule out infiltration of Pakistani agents, cannot rule out the hand of Pakistan in what is going on. Remember, this is Captain Amrinder Singh, number one. Number two, Ravneet Bittu. Ravneet Singh Bittu is the member of Parliament of the Congress party. He categorically said that there is a Khalistani infiltration into all this. The same Mr. Bittu was criticizing the Bharatiya Janata Party and the agencies. But when he entered this Andolan, feeling as an Andolan GV, he was beaten black and blue by some people. And then he comes out and holds a press conference and says, well, there are Khalistani elements. Who is Mohd Haliwal? What was the speech of Mohd Haliwal in US? The speech of Mohd Haliwal was, let's not assume that despite, even if there's a repealing of these 3 farm laws, that this Andolan is going to end. No, this is just the beginning. The Andolan has a different dimension altogether, and the dimension has to do with the Khalistani dimension. So, sir, and lastly and very importantly, we have all these toolkit etc. exposed by Greta. यार ग्रेटा के खिलाफ तो बोल रहा हूँ, आपके खिलाफ तो आप ग्रेटा, आप
so what are your agencies doing?
मैं ग्रेटा और मियां खलीफा के खिलाफ बोल रहा हूं। आप क्या मियां खलीफा के भाई हैं क्या? Why should you come in defense of Mia Khalifa? अरे I am exposing Mia Khalifa and Greta. Why are you annoyed? Why is Mr. Goswami? Why is Razak annoyed? Is he the brother of Khalifa? No, he's not. So please don't disturb me. Now what? This Greta exposes the toolkit, and the toolkit categorically there is a mention of the violence of 26 January. Who is Jagmeet Singh? Who is Jagmeet Singh? Now let me question the IQ of Mr. Razak. अब आपका परीक्षा होगा रजाक जी, ये जगमीत सिंह कौन है बताइए?
Are they worthless?
Or now I'm testing the IQ of Mr. Razak. Let me see whether he knows about whether he knows about what is going on presently. Who is Jagmeet Singh? Mr. Razak, who is Jagmeet Singh? Who is Jagmeet Singh? Do you know who is Jagmeet Singh? Razak ji, आप जानते हैं जगमीत सिंह कौन है? आप जानते हैं जगमीत सिंह कौन है? रिहाना का दोस्त जगमीत सिंह कौन है? आप जानते हैं? Do you know Jagmeet Singh? You don't know गोल घुमाना. This is straight talk. You don't know who Jagmeet Singh is because Razak tries to protect Jagmeet Singh.
Let me add one question to that. Let me add one question to that. Sambit, one more. Let me add one question to that. Razak, stop. Razak, you want to take a question? The problem is, please speak properly, Razak. I'm asking a question. Listen. And the question is simple. What do you think of the people who desecrated Mahatma Gandhi's statue in Washington, D.C.? And please remind him, General Bakshi, that they desecrated it with the Khalistani flag. I want people like Razak to talk about it. If I ask Grewal 2 more questions about these Khalistanis, he will run away from my program. Why are you scared of Khalistanis?
I will never
These Khalistan supporters से डरते हैं क्या Grewal जी आप? आप डरते हैं? No, आप डरते? Are you scared of the question? Then you must take a position. Sir, but then you must tell me, what do you think of people who desecrated Mahatma Gandhi's statue in Washington? Why don't you answer that question? I've asked you 7 questions on the Khalistani supporters. You're not answering a single question. GD Bakshi, I'm asking repeated questions. What do you think about these pro-Khalistani outfits carrying out rallies?
Don't confuse the issues.
Attacking the Indian High Commission? Vandalizing the Indian High Commission in Rome?
It is about time that we face...
No, don't...
Always there is always an
General Bakshi.
allegation.
Excuse me.
That certain people of this country
again dodging the question. General Bakshi
cannot ignore the elephant in the room.
General Bakshi,
Mr. Grewal, please, kindly, thank you. I would like to state unequivocally, Arnab, we have no problems with the people. We have no problems with the farmers, but we have serious problems with the Khalistani Tanzeems trying to muscle in under the cover of this mass movement. We have serious reservations. We have serious objections. The presiding dictum should be nice to the people, be nasty to the terrorists. The time has come to get as nasty as possible to the terrorists. I would like to inform people on this show that the government of India has approached the Ministry of Justice in the United States with hard evidence of what some of these people, the Khalistani Tanzeems, are trying to do. Instigate trouble in our armed forces. That is what they are trying to do. Which self-respecting country will take that line down? We will not. And we will come down upon them like a ton of bricks. We've been going far too slow. There is no need to pull your punches. We must separate the farmers from the terror tanzeems. And we must
now General Bakshi, General Bakshi, Sunit Chopra is a great supporter. Sunit Chopra, I understand that Sunit Chopra is a great supporter of 2 countries, MR. One, of course, North Korea, in which I suspect he has a permanent residency status. He goes there so many times on so many invitations. He loves Pyongyang, he loves the North Korean politics.
Why not?
Whatever is there of it. But the other country which he loves is Canada.
And General Malik went there. I have not gone to Canada. Canada is not my problem. But I know that the main attack of Khalistan was on Congress, and BJP tried to use that, and they have utilized it in this dirty game here, and the truth will come out. And as for us, we have fought these terrorists, and we have fought them in Punjab.
Are you now supporting Khalistan on my program, Sunit Chopra?
Doesn't know a thing about it.
Are you genuinely now going to that point where you become a Khalistani supporter, sir? Sir, you should be careful of your words. Are you a Khalistani supporter? And let me ask you, can we give one example to you, since you are now talking about the Khalistanis in a positive way? This great leader of yours, Justin Trudeau, why did he go ballistic against leaders? No, why did he go ballistic?
It's the BJP.
Sir, don't have to shout, sir. Look at how I'm talking. Sir, the Canadian Prime Minister, Justin Trudeau, warned of consequences when there was a separatist movement in Quebec. So when there was a separatist movement in Quebec, Justin Trudeau said, I'll roll in the Canadian army, whatever is there of it. What a hypocrite! He doesn't allow separatism in Quebec, but waves around clapping like a child when the Khalistanis come to his door. What a hypocrite! This hypocrite will not be exposed by people like Razak. I want to know whether Justin Trudeau is the same person who said, dare you start a separatist movement in Quebec?
Khalistanis and Khalistani sympathizers
are Sikhs
it will be a good
who have their relatives back in India.
I think
I am not obliged to respond to you. Sambit, yes, Razak, make your point.
A lot of parliamentarians in the Canadian government are Sikhs who have relatives back in India. For that reason, whatever they would have said, that Justin Trudeau might have stood in support. It is very much likely of any senator.
Yeah, there are 200 Canadians. There are 200 Canadians maybe in India. We should also support separatism in Quebec.
Speak about Myanmar.
Ambit.
Did not Modi ji speak about France? Did not Modi ji speak about France?
I'm astonished, Mr. Goswami, that panelists in such a respected channel are not aware of the basic things, basic developments. And that's the reason as to why I asked Mr. Razak, does he know who Jagmeet Singh is? Jagmeet Singh is one of the member of parliaments in Canada. In fact, is a terror supporter. In fact, he was during the times of UPA government, not during BJP regime. In fact, he was named as one of the terror fundraisers. He's a Khalistani supporter. He's friend of Rihanna, and he is one of those persons who has supported this kind of movement from Canada. And that's the reason as to why each one of us, all those present in the panel, all of us in public life should condemn each of these Khalistani strings that is attached to this Andolan. We should condemn it. We should condemn it unequivocally. We should never encourage it. But astonishingly, Mr. Razak, you and Sunit Chopra and the Congresses are encouraging it. Remember, if you dig a pit for others, it will be you who will fall into the pit first. Remember, if you dig a pit for India, you are going to slip into the pit first before in fact anything happens to India.
Deep Sidhu is a Khalistani. Answer one simple question. How did he come close to Modi?
You spoke MR, he spoke about France.
You all said he was a Khalistani.
He spoke about France. Let me tell you, France passed a global security bill which was brought in to check Islamist separatism in the country after the beheading of a teacher.
Correct.
You understand that?
Modi spoke about that.
Yes.
Yes, Modi.
Canada does not allow separatism in Quebec.
Modi spoke about Myanmar.
Don't be a hypocrite. Spain arrested 21 pro-independent supporters for misusing a public fund. Germany launched a crackdown on Nazi propaganda.
Opinion at all. It is very much normal with...
You don't have an opinion. Emma, 10 seconds. 10 seconds.
Sunit Chopra must also know that Harkishan Singh Surjit was one who was actively backing for the Khalistanis in the 80s and the 90s. So let us... Keep quiet. We know all your... we know it.
Sunit Chopra
was a traitor number one.
Sunit Chopra response.
We don't.
Closing the debate.
Sunit Chopra.
He denies. He denies. We have a counter on both sides. I'm not taking a position on this. And viewers, on that note, closing the debate, and on the other side tonight with Arrest All Instigators, the top trend on 2. On the other side, Modi shows the way is my next debate. See you in a few minutes.